Death is the gas we breathe. For us, oxygen means life. But for some living beings, our air is poison. Life does not end where oxygen disappears. It simply changes its source. In the darkness of the deep ocean, more than 2,000 meters below the surface, near hydrothermal vents that release toxic clouds of minerals and heat, a strange creature survives. The yeti crab. It grows its food on its own claws. Not sunlight, but chemistry feeds its world. Its hairy limbs host colonies of bacteria. These microbes use hydrogen sulfide, a gas deadly to most life, and turn it into energy. Poison becomes fuel. Toxic plumes become nourishment. The crab slowly waves its claws through mineral-rich water, feeding its bacterial partners. In return, they feed it. No hunting, no plants, no sun. Just symbiosis, just chemistry. Just life, rewritten for a world without light.
The heart stops. Breathing fades. The body turns to ice. Beneath the frozen ponds of North America, a small wood frog lies motionless under solid ice. Up to 70% of its body is frozen. No pulse, no movement. By most measures, it would be dead. But it isn't. As winter tightens its grip, the frog floods its body with glucose. Sugar becomes a natural antifreeze, protecting its cells from damage. Ice forms around the cells, not inside them. Metabolism slows almost to zero. No oxygen flows. Energy use nearly stops. The cells simply wait. Weeks later, spring sunlight begins to warm the ice. Water moves. Tissues soften. The heart starts first, a faint beat, then another. Blood begins to circulate. Breathing returns. And life rises from complete silence. A full shutdown. A frozen pause. Then a heartbeat.
8,000 meters above sea level. The air is thin, so thin that most lungs would struggle to draw a single breath. But it flies, high over the Himalayas, where oxygen levels drop to a third of what we breathe at sea level. The bar-headed goose crosses the highest mountains on Earth. Each wingbeat cuts through freezing air. Each breath carries only a fraction of the oxygen most animals require. Yet its blood is different. Its hemoglobin binds oxygen more tightly than almost any other bird. Even in air that feels nearly empty, its blood captures what little oxygen exists. Its heart beats faster. Its breathing deepens and accelerates. Its lungs and air sacs keep fresh air moving continuously through its body. Muscles rich with capillaries deliver oxygen efficiently to every cell. Where most creatures would lose consciousness within minutes, it remains steady, focused, powered by adaptation written into its DNA. Across the tallest peaks on the planet, above snow and stone and silence, it flies, using less oxygen than life was ever meant to allow.
Darkness is permanent. There is no sunrise here. No shadows. No light at all. In the underground caves of Mexico, oxygen levels can fall far below what most fish can survive. Yet something moves through the still water. The blind cave fish. Sight is no longer necessary. Over generations, eyes have faded. Pigment has disappeared. Energy is too precious to waste on vision in a world without light. Oxygen is scarce, but its blood carries more of it. Larger red blood cells, higher hemoglobin concentration.
The genes that respond to low oxygen, genes that activate only in emergencies in most animals, are always on. Its metabolism is slower. Its gills extract every possible molecule from the water. Deficiency becomes normal. Scarcity becomes stability. Over time, evolution rewrites the body under constant environmental pressure. Not to escape the darkness, but to belong to it.
No mouth, no stomach, no intestines, and yet it lives. Deep on the ocean floor, near hydrothermal vents hotter than boiling water, giant tube worms rise from the darkness. Inside their bodies live billions of bacteria. Hydrogen sulfide, a gas toxic to most life, becomes fuel. Oxygen and poison travel together in their blood, carried by a unique hemoglobin that keeps them from destroying each other. The bacteria use this chemical energy to create organic molecules. The worms provide shelter. The bacteria provide food. Energy from Earth's interior sustains the colony. The sun is not required. Life does not recognize final boundaries. Where we see an ending, it changes strategy. Oxygen is only one option. Light is only one path. Nature always finds a new way to burn. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.